is one of the best draft picks noong draft night for the Creamline Cool Smashers. So we can also see the rookie Pia Abu immediately starting for Coach Jorge De Brito. And not just that, even yung transfer.
Fresh faces for the Capital One Solar Spikers. Negrito. MG was blocked. Atienza. Back to Mitch. Gives Creamline their first point. Another fresh face. It's been a busy off-season, Neil, for the PVL, and we get to see that here on the PVL on tour. MG, that cross won't work. Estrella, slowed down by the block. Kyle, back to Mitch. Galdones with some defense. Sheena Turing, still no good. The setup to the back row, picked up by Iris. It continues. Genesis will try. Valdez puts it down.
Just listen to the crowd.
I can barely hear you, Neil, in all honesty, as this spike of the set is brought to you by Dunkin, pasalubong ng bayan. Good first pass. Alyssa Valdez, dug by Genesis. Trisha on the counter. We're tied at 5.
One point they're getting, or rather they're creating their own opportunities to attack the defense of Creamline.
Battle at the net. Chance ball for Creamline. Negrito to Turing. Mabaw with the dig. Negrito to Valdez. Alyssa Valdez. Vintage.
She just really goes for those soft touches na nade-disguise niya ng tama. She does that so well. Ang maganda sa middle blocker lineup ni Coach Jorge ay kaya nilang mag-slide. Not all middle blockers are comfortable with slide attacks. So for good to have the middle blockers that can go for different slides, that will... For sure, naging seamless yung integration ni Sheena Turing because of the system of Coach Sherwin Meneses.
Genesis couldn't escape that double block. Valdez from the back row.
Liza Valdez has been so active here in the first set.
6-point lead for Creamline.
Oh, wow.
And a service ace. Another one. 9-point lead. Back row, Estrella.
That's a good option for Iris Tolenada. And even in the last game that we just witnessed, yung mga back row attacks, hindi na Carlos, Bea De Leon, and Liza Mandapat.
Galdones. Torres bumps it over for MG. Sent back. Regalo. Gemma. Exceptional floor coverage. Estrella. Wala pa rin. Valdez na naman. It was returned. It's still good. Galanza will leave a free ball. Tolenada. The setup. Alvarez was denied. Creamline now with a chance ball. Pangs Panaga with a put-away.
Defense is just rock solid for the Cool Smashers here in this opening set.
It doesn't matter to them.
But they always take it one game at a time. I mean, itong grupo ng girls na to sobrang competitive, not just in like the PVL, but also in training. Liza Valdez has been on fire.
Competitive ba usapan, Neil?
It's probably the most competitive. Taas din ng percentage na pumuntos for the Cool Smashers.
Good receive for Roma. Singh. That one straight to the net, and so in convincing fashion, Creamline winning it 25-10. So check the website if we are going to a city near you. A service ace for Iris Tolenada to open things up.
That's how you want to start.
Genesis got that one across from the back row. Here comes Gemma Galanza.
Back-to-back points for Gemma Galanza. Everybody Creamline, but with the addition of Nika Celis and Sheena Turing, she's now back in her natural position.
Pero grabe din yung pinakita ni Lori, especially in that game 3. She was even getting the Lori chance in the finals as we have an ongoing rally. Bump set, Valdez. The reach by Alvarez. The set by Tolenada. And Sing will score. Another good serve by Galdones. A chance here. And Estrella could not connect with Iris. Galdones will play setter for Estrella. And the lead is down to 3.
Capital One is looking more confident after scoring Ostero.
Mafe back set. Too low for Lori. Sing. Vargas.
Don't forget about her. Once upon a time, she was one of the best scorers in the UAAP and in FEU.
10 year now, Rose Vargas with Creamline. Holding on to this 4-point lead. Sing will try, and Sing's got it. She's come alive.
Ito yung maganda sa Capital One. Nakakapasa na sila. So, wing spikers ng Creamline kung saan nakapwesto yung defenders. So, if they backpedal, that's the time that they go for those drops. Lola Alvarez. And Alvarez.
BDL getting some love from the Ilocos Sur fans. 3 points away for Creamline. Galdones had to reach. Panaga with a good save. Valdez. Bullseye. Turing. That is relentless.
Still keeping it close in set number 2, but Creamline has 3 set points.
What a serve by Galdones. Valdez.
Make that 2 set points. Creamline is asking for a check ball.
Ostero sends it. Sports, RPTV, and Pilipinas Live app. Exciting, no, Neil? Game 7. It's been 9 years since there was a Game 7 in Filipino conference between Petrogas and Creamline. A really great series, but now we open things up again in our first day of our on-tour version. Liza Valdez is
to the PVL.
a warm welcome for Malabanan after that hiatus, as Jana mentioned. A chance here. Iris. Ostero. They have this connection, these two.
This will be a free ball.
Panaga, the slide.
Getting their first win.
Monstrous block by Pangs Panaga. 8-point lead has opened up. Take a look at this one more time.
Wasn't two cool smashers went up for that block.
Torres. Find the gap. Back after the second technical timeout. Got a 9-point lead for Creamline. Looking to sweep this one and call it a day. Gemma. Got it off the ball. Double-digit lead for the Cool Smashers. Sharp serve for Negrito.
Broken play for Capital One. This will be a chance for the Cool Smashers.
What a bump set. Balikan. Gemma looking to put an end to this rally.
Another problematic pass
there
from Capital One.
The whole team goes smiling. In the meantime, Ostero. That is a good block. 2 points away. Malabanan getting her touches, getting her groove. Easy pickup. Genesis on the approach. Vargas off speed. Good dive by Malabanan. And that cannot be reached. Good blockings for Creamline. Genesis tries to go behind. Bernardo! Not quite yet, says Malabanan. The love tap from the back. Soriano! Pancake save! Bernardo with the finisher.
3 straight points for Lori Bernardo. And that will seal the deal for the Cool Smashers as they register their first win